but not with the six, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick, this shit get lit, need five.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something that I told myself I would never do. We got 2-inch wheel spacers. I'm going to put back on the factory wheels and tires, 37s, on the factory 20s, because I'm kind of sick and tired of the wide wheels, to be honest with you. That and winter's coming, so might as well switch it back. And usually when you lift the front end of these GMs, they shrink in. So these should give me a little bit of poke, hopefully. Hopefully the wheel don't fall off, and we'll see what happens. All right, everything looks good. Looks nice and clean. So usually if there's like a lot of like corrosion and stuff here, you want to kind of clean this off. Everything looks good. So I'm gonna mount them up, torque them down, see what it looks like. All right, well, hopefully you guys can see this. My first issue already. They don't fit. They don't fit over. Wow. This is like just my luck. I mean, I put in the year, make of my truck, 2500 HD, diesel. Like I mean, it's like the inside diameter is wrong. It won't go over this. I mean, they'll definitely work on the front. Yeah. I don't know. 8 by 180, 14 by 1.5, 124.1. Obviously, something's wrong. So either I ordered the wrong ones or they sent me the wrong ones. This... Wow. Now I don't know what to do. Do I say screw it, put them on anyway? Maybe that's giving me a sign that I shouldn't put spacers on this truck. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, I think maybe I'm gonna put them on anyway. I don't even care. This is why you shouldn't use spacers. Waste of freaking money. All right, so we're back about a week later. So what I did, I went on Facebook Marketplace, saw to see if I could get some other spacers, used spacers. So I found a set close to me, used spacers. These are lug centric, and these are hub centric. So my plan is, tell me in the comments if I'm doing this wrong or not. See what happens. I'm going to put the lug centric on the back and the hub centric on the front. I don't know. Never messed with spacers, but I don't see why it wouldn't work. I don't know if anybody else has ever done this, but we're going to try it. Hopefully it works. See what happens. We're going to make sure the surface is really clean. Best we can get it, especially on this hub ring.
All right, here you go. Truck's finished up. It looks so much better than it did with the 2-inch spacers on it. Hopefully it rides as good as it looks. So much better. Highly recommend putting 2-inch spacers if you're going to do a Bubba setup. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.